So my first question to you is that, like, what do you understand by environment and how much you can relate yourself to the nature?
Um, Environment is our surrounding, is everything that provides us, that gives us the resources that we need to build a sustainable life. It's the greed of people that has made our environment suffer so much. Our environment has suffered so much because people keep polluting, keep using everything without thinking for the future generations. And I think even if we think that everyone else, सब लोग तो कर रहे हैं, हमें भी करना चाहिए, one person can make a lot of difference. We should not think that सब कर रहे हैं तो हम एक से क्या हो जाएगा. One person can make a lot of difference.
So, like, this is today, like, it's such an auspicious occasion for an NGO like us. The Shiksha Kranti has been working for past many years for the sake of environment. So, what is the pledge that you are going to take today related to the environment? Or could you please tell me any of the instance where you have just caused any of the harm to the environment and after some time you were filled with regret for that?
Yes, I think before I knew how much harm we do to the environment, I used to do so much littering. I used to throw wrappers and used to do so much, waste so much water. But recently I have started to do so many things. Like, I have started to collect wrappers and collect all the waste, plastic and all, and I collect them and I make crafts from them, and I do this to not litter. And I always collect wrappers from all my friends whenever they're eating something, or I have a lot of them even in my bag right now. I would have a pocket full of wrappers which I love to collect. And I know a lot of websites, and I know a lot of people who actually recycle them. So if from now on people would like, they can collect those wrappers and send them to these sites and these people who recycles them. So that would be really helpful for the environment.
So my next question to you is that, as being a student, you are just starting in school. So yeah, like, I've always seen that the school carries out lots of activities during such kind of events or days. So what is that one thing that you would like to tell? What is the message that you would like to give to the youth of your age? Because you are like so awakened, you have spoken really nicely. So what would be that one thing?
To the people around of my age, I would like to tell them that don't stop these activities. Don't just start doing these just because it's a day or it's a day associated to the environment. Do it every day. It shouldn't be just one day that you're looking to protect the earth. It should be every day, and don't stop doing it after the school ends. I've never seen outside of schools and different institutes people doing anything other than these institutes and schools. So don't stop doing it. It should be a daily practice. And
yeah, in the audience about him, I would like to say that he's like really good at asking questions, but today I'll be backfiring all the questions to you. So first of all, I would like to ask you, what do you understand by environment at your own level?
Environment is essential for our life. I think it is fundamental unit of our life. Without environment, we cannot live.
जैसे कि आज पर्यावरण दिवस है, तो any pledge that you would like to take today related to environment?
इससे पहले जैसे मैं क्लीन कर रहा था, मैं वैसा ही करूँगा. I don't think my pledge is that I clean environment in my I clean environment. I pick wrappers and I do my best to clean environment. This is my pledge.
So like sir said कि आप तो मतलब since you like were small child, since then you were like active volunteer. So yeah, I hope that you would definitely clean the environment. And at last, what message would you like to give to the audience of your age?
Don't throw wrappers here and there, and do things on their level. They must clean their environment.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, environment is the part of our life, and if we clean our environment, then we can take like pure oxygen.
So my first question to you is that, like, what do you think if we all start doing something at our individual level, would it definitely bring a change? Because we have already like heard that yeah, small changes leads to like big revolutions. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think everything can be changed, and if we do small steps, start like cleaning our environment and I only request our audience to don't throw garbage here and there, like as we are doing also.
So as we are the volunteer of one of the most prestigious institute called Shiksha Kranti, so we have like a goal of 2047 that we have to make cleanliness a national value. So what do you think if we like keep on going on such a pace with such like like responsibility towards the environment? What do you think would we be able to achieve that particular goal?
Yeah, for sure.